Use this meditation to make your specific person obsessed with you and only be completely satisfied when they are with you. No one else will compare to you in their eyes, and they will never be able to stop pursuing you. This meditation is a game changer and will finally put you on the pedestal that you rightfully deserve to be on. Now let's begin. They can't stop thinking about me until they reach out to me. They are constantly thinking of me, waiting and wanting to reach out and talk to me. They love spending time with me. They are addicted to being with me. They can't get enough of me. They are head over heels in love with me. They will do anything to stay with me and to have all of my attention. They are so drawn to me. They always want to make sure that we are always connected in some way. They have been obsessed with me since forever. They can't stay away from me for even a day. They always take accountability and are honest with me. They think I am incredible. They are always trying to understand me and work things out with me. They are extremely committed to put in all the effort required to keep our relationship healthy and strong. They stand by me and put in that effort for me. They really are dedicated to me and our connection. They are doing everything they can to get me back. They want me back really bad. We understand each other completely. I am always in the back of their mind. We have an amazing connection. They just want to spend more time with me. They are always thinking about me. They look for any reason to get my attention. They are completely obsessed with me. They put me on a pedestal. I am the only one who can satisfy their every need and desire. Type, I am the only one who can satisfy their every need and desire to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or clicking the link in the description box below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.